How to manage ad settings on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage ad settings on Snapchat in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on your profile like this, and now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner again and click on the settings. Scroll down until you find uh, the ads option right here. Click on ads. Now as you can see from here, you can manage your ads easily. For example, ad preferences and the lifestyle and interests, the autofill settings. As you can see, everything you can manage it from your ads here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.